The automatic roll-forming lines manufactured by CSP are highly efficient, versatile, and cost-effective manufacturing systems used to produce a wide range of metal profiles and components for various industries. For example, profiles, shelf, cable tray, aluminum spacer bar, firebox, door panel, and door frame, etc. These lines utilize a continuous bending process to shape metal coils into precise cross-sectional profiles with consistent quality and high precision. Our automatic roll-forming lines offer numerous advantages, including high production speeds, minimal material waste, and the ability to produce complex shapes with tight tolerances. Their adaptability makes them indispensable in modern manufacturing across diverse industries. If you have similar needs, welcome to contact us anytime.